bigger factor would be negative when we get to the end.
All right.
I'm going to set it up there.
All right. Yeah. So what you do is that if students can listen to another student explain it, they're more likely to understand it than if a teacher explains it. And so what the student is telling us, go ahead and read this part to us.
If the middle number is negative and the last number is negative, then the bigger number would be negative and the smaller number would be positive when we're doing the factors.
So the bigger factor
right,
will be negative and the smaller factor will be positive.
Right.
Okay. All right.
Hold on, wait.
All right. Oh, so you had to pull out the X's. That was good.
Right. You got to pull out the X's, so because you have an X that's to the third power instead of to the instead of squared.
Right.
So you pull out an X from each one of them. Pull an X from here, from the 2X, and from the 35X.
This is beginning to look familiar, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, we know what to do with this.
Yeah, right.
Good, good.
And then hold on, wait. Okay. So the factors are 30.
Yeah, we got to think about what can we get with 30.
Oh,
All right, so there's one.
35.
All right.
2, 3, 4, 5. Trust me, I don't need the paper.
Yeah, you got it. This is very good.
So my factors gonna be -7 and a +5, which equals the -2 up here. So it'd be X.
And so the point was that the middle number was negative, which was the -2. And the last number is negative.
Now I see
And
it.
these right here,
That's the scenario I was thinking about.
right?
Right,
That's how you get it.
right.
All right.
Because the bigger factor gotta be negative and the smaller one gotta be positive. So when you set it up, it'll be the -7 plus 5, which equals the -2, which is right here. So that'll be your factors or whatever. So you use them to set it up.
So you're basically saving a step with this rule. Because
Right.
most people would write down -5 plus 7 and try it out.
Yeah.
But then you came up with this rule
Uh-huh.
that says, I don't need to write down -5. I don't need to try that
Right.
because you've got your rule.
Right.
This is nice. We ought to give this name this rule should have a name.
What we gonna name it?
Well,
Daily rule.
what's your first name?
Kendrick.
Kendrick. This is Kendrick's bigger negative number rule. It's the bigger negative number rule. I like it.